Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Samsung Galaxy M34. To do this, let's open our Google Chrome. Inside we want to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Enter Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is activated. Then we can go back and find whichever website you want to log in and save the passwords for. In this case, let's go for the Facebook. Sorry, because I think I'm disconnected from the internet. Okay, now the Facebook. Enter your credentials in the pool and hit the login button. After a few seconds, you should see the pop-up with offer to save that password. Make sure to save it. Then go back to your password manager. And here you will find the website that you tried to log in. You can click on it to see the username as well as the password. There's also option to preview the password, which is hidden. You will need to unlock your phone, and here we have it. You can edit the password and the username. Click on Done to save it. And one last option there is to remove the password from the list with that bin button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.